Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The types of outputs that you can get from manual tests include 1. Defects log. A defects log is a list or document full of all the issues that a piece of software has in a test. The longer the defect log, the more issues there are that require patching in the software. 2. Qualitative data. This refers to the verbal and written feedback that a manual tester presents to the development team, typically after completing a series of testing, such as a user acceptance test. 3. Error messages. Error messages are short strings of text that state whether there has been an error in a software package, and if so, the nature of the issue. By making note of any error messages in the software, a developer immediately knows the cause of the problem that has arisen and is aware of potential steps to take towards resolving it. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.